folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have my last instrument for November coming in right under the wire, but it's been a busy month. This is a full-size 5-string banjo. It's all curly maple and pistachio. So this curly maple is mostly from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland, and it's the stuff that matches my kitchen remodel. These are pieces from that same project. And the kitchen's not done, but the banjo is. Nice little 5-piece neck with some walnut stripes there. Yeah, 11-inch rim, wooden rim with no tone ring. Pistachio cap here, and then a beautiful grafted pistachio fretboard and head plate. Kind of a muted pistachio on this one. It's really beautiful up close, but far away it just looks normal. And I really like that about wood grain sometimes, where it's got secrets that you have to get up close to see. So these are the non-steel strings. It's got a armrest, which is really nice, and it just feels and plays awesome. So it's good to get a reminder once in a while that the sound in your head that equals banjo usually means maple. and then when I make a maple banjo, it reminds me of that. Yeah, it just feels good. So this is number 760. Ready to go. Cheers.